What's up, everybody? DeAngelo here, and this video is going to be on how you guys can make money without any investment at all. So I know a lot of people out there want to make money, but they might not have the startup capital or whatever the case may be. So you'll be able to use this method here to basically go out there and make you some money. You can actually go out there and start this literally today. This is going to go all by how much effort you put into it. Now, when it comes to when you have money, it really just goes by how much money you have, and then your money goes out and gets other money. But if you don't have any money, you have no choice but to use your time. There is no ifs, ands, buts, or any ways around it. You have to do this using your time. You're going to have to put hours upon hours into this. So I'm gonna just be 100% upfront with you. If you don't have any money and you also don't want to invest your time, quit and just stay at your job. That's all I can tell you to do. But let's get started in this here. So basically what you want to do, guys, is first, so I'm getting ahead. First, you want to go out and learn a skill, right? So go over to Fiverr.com. You know you're not going to be buying anything or anything along those lines, but this will give you some idea of what you can go into, because I know a lot of people, what am I supposed to learn? What am I supposed to learn? Stuff like that. I honestly would recommend something like simple, like in the programming and tech, like WordPress sites, right? If you go, you can watch a bunch of YouTube videos for free over on YouTube, completely learn WordPress, how to build landing pages, the whole 9 yards, how to build websites, how to transfer websites, all that stuff. Just learn something that, the average person doesn't know. Like when I first got started into this, I literally used to pay developers to do stuff that is just outrageous nowadays. Like I used to pay people literally $25. I remember paying someone $25 to change out a link on my WordPress site when I first got started, guys. $25. And I thought that was a great deal. I mean, it is crazy. Like literally $25 for like 3 seconds of work, right? But now, obviously, I know how to do all of that stuff. I know how to build websites, landing pages, the whole 9 yards, right? So once you learn how to do that, you can start charging that. You can start charging other people to literally charge, take out links and stuff like that for 25 bucks, fix their websites, all of that stuff, literally for 25 bucks, right? And if you didn't want to learn this skill, you could just hire these people here, to go out and do it. So you would go out, find the clients, and then you would hire these people here from Fiverr or Upwork or wherever you want to hire people from, and then you would just pocket the difference. But since we're talking about no money whatsoever, you have to go out there and learn that skill, which again is why I said your time, is going to be heavily invested in this. So you got to develop a skill. It's just that simple. You can't do this without a skill set. So again, pick whatever you want. Again, I recommend something to WordPress, website building, stuff like that. And then you just want to simply go to Google and literally just start going to websites. That's it. Like you want to go to mom and pop shops. Like obviously you don't want to go to Pizza Hut and hit them up and be like, hey, can I fix your website? Obviously, you're probably not even going to get a reply. But you want to just start going down on Google and literally just start going down the site here. Like, look, this site is fucking horrible. We could go message them. Like, I mean, this site looks really bad. Like, for real. I mean, I can see how it's super simple, but this site does not look really good. Like, it just does not look good. So we can hit them up, and be like, hey, we can get your website to stop looking like it was made in 1978. You know what I'm saying? Because it was like been in businesses. You guys get it. But yeah, so we can hit them up and be like, hey, we can make your website secure. Because, well, let me bring it down. Well, you guys won't be able to see it anyway. But yeah, up at the top here, it says the site is not secure. So you're like, hey, we can get your website secure, make it look like this, show them some examples, for this price right here. Just let us know, that you can explain to them what the benefits of having a better looking website, how their customers can, make more money, how they'll make more money from their customers. And, if they aren't taking online sales, taking online deliveries, taking online orders, you can set that up for them as well. You can even, like, after you fix the whole website up, you can be like, well, hey, I also do marketing, so I could also get you some more customers. If you're into that, just let me know. But, obviously, that's going a little step further. Obviously, if you don't have any money, you should not be trying to run anyone's Facebook or Yahoo, Craigslist, Google, whatever you want to call it. You should not be trying to run ads with no money, no training courses, and no experience. You're just going to make people lose money, and that's super fucked up. But Yeah, basically, guys, that's what you want to do is literally this is a simple, easy method. You would just go down and literally just go to random place. Look at this. I'm just clicking random ass sites. Look how garbage this website looks. This is a horrible ass website, right? Again, we can hit them up. Hey, we can make your website look a lot better. You know, as you can see at the top here, website is not too secure. We can explain to them how having a secure website would be more beneficial to them. And then if their website isn't secure on some devices or in some browsers, they won't even show your website because it'll show up as a scam, or they'll get a warning saying that this website could steal their information or their credit card or anything along those lines. So we could explain all of that to them. So you guys see what I'm saying here. And I haven't been to any of these here at all. Like, I mean, literally just typed in pizza place in Texas, and that was it. And I just started clicking these here to show you guys, right? This one here doesn't look, too bad, but again, we could do a lot better. We can make this look way better. We can even come up to the top here. Get this out the way. All right, so you see, where is it? Is this it? Okay, so this says this was made with Weebly, right? We can be like, hey, I see you have a Weebly website. We can get you switched over to WordPress, or we can, if they don't want to do that or whatever, you can always tell them like, hey, well, I can build your website, make it look better for you, make it look a lot better than what it looks like right now. We do lots of work on Weebly. We can tell by looking at your site that it's Weebly. You can just say stuff like that or whatever. This is a very good tool to have as well. You guys should definitely have that downloaded. Excuse me. So you see, look, that boom. That's 3 in a row right there that we've gone and seen, and they've all been pretty much garbage. Now this website actually doesn't look too bad. I think this was the other website. Let's see, what was this made with? And this one, it's not telling us. But yeah, this one right here doesn't look too bad. I mean, it looks a lot better than the other ones or whatnot. So I'm thinking that other one was their website as well. I'm pretty sure we've seen that logo somewhere. But you guys get the point, right? You just go to Google, type in whatever, and then just contact these people. You're going to have to pick up the phone, or email them. I mean, if you pick up the phone and call, depending on what type of place that you call, if you call this phone number here, obviously you're going to get like a worker or something, so you can go on their website and see if you can get in contact with the owner, send them an email, have your contact details in there so they can call you up and pick up the fucking phone, and literally just call these people, talk to them on the phone. Yeah, man, we can get your website up and running. We can get it to looking like this, send them some examples, the whole 9 yards. And literally all you got to do is you got to close them, you got to sell them nothing, because obviously they want more customers. And you can provide them more customers by getting them a better website. By them being able to take orders online, they're going to be able to make more money, So, yeah, that's simple with the Google stuff, guys. Literally, that's all you do. Type in whatever you're looking for, and then, just go from there. Another thing is going over to the App Store, right? Now I'm just going to use these top here as an example, but obviously you don't want to go to them. You want to go to like small ones. So let's say you went over and you learned some app stuff or whatever, right? How to repair apps. So you would just download, some apps or whatnot that have like really bad ratings, or let's say they're getting a lot of like negative reviews and like, oh, level 14 keeps freezing. This every time I open it up, it shuts down, and like you guys know what I'm talking about. You've seen all those reviews and stuff. You would just go down to the bottom, and it'll say developer information. It's normally not the developer. It's normally the person who like owns the app. So then they'll have their contact information right here, and they'll be like, hey, we see that level 4 in your game is having some issues. It's not working properly. We can go through and fix that up for you, no problem. And you would go from there. It's literally just that simple, guys. I mean, this is extremely simple and super easy. All you need to do is literally just contact people. Let's say you contact 1,000 people a day. Yes, 1,000 people a day. Get off your ass and do some work. Like a lot of people, are like, oh, I want to make $100,000 a year. What are you doing to like even get close to making $100,000 a year? What are you doing? This isn't some shit you start at 8 o'clock in the morning and you get off at 3. Like you're doing this all day, every day. Like this becomes part of your lifestyle. Like this is a business, not some again 9 to 5 stuff. But yeah, very simple stuff, guys. I mean, I just showed you 2 examples right there and gave you 2 scenarios that you can do literally right there. Um, so I mean, there's a million and one different things out there. You can go on Facebook and find people on there who need something. Like basically, all you need to do is learn a skill and then find people who want that skill. That's it. You know how to make landing pages? There are a ton of marketers out there that are just getting started that will pay you to make them a landing page. They literally do it every single day. I used to do it myself, right? Tons and tons and tons of people. Like if you learn how to build funnels, there are millions of people out there. Yeah, I'll make you a click funnel. I'll make you a funnel over on WordPress, or I'll make you a funnel over here, whatever the case may be, right? Wherever they can make your funnel or whatever. Just learn the skill and then literally just sell it. Like that's it. Now, don't be lazy. Like, cause I mean, you could go over here to Fiverr and put up an ad and wait to get customers. Fuck that, right? Go look for them. Go out there and get you some customers. Post on your Facebook. Like, do whatever it takes to actually get customers. Message people on a daily basis. You're like, hey, I saw you were promoting this. I can make your landing page look better. Fuck you. My landing page looks great already. Okay, thanks. Have a wonderful day. Block them. Right? I mean, that's it, guys. It's all a numbers game. Let's say you message 1,000 people and only get like 3 customers, that could be anywhere from a couple bucks to literally a couple thousand. It really just depends on what you're doing. So let's just say that's like $100 a pop, right? So every 1,000 people you message, you're gonna get $300. So what do you need to do? Message 1,000 people a day. That's $9,000 a month. That is a shit ton of work, but it's gonna be worth it, right? So I mean, like, can you be mad at that point? Like, now you just made 9 grand. And your odds are you're not going to be doing something extremely difficult or extremely hard. It might literally be like 20, 30 minutes worth of work for $100. And you do it on a daily basis, which means you're going to get better and better and better. And then once that person likes your work, they're going to come to you again. Oh, you charge $20 to build a landing page. Oh, okay. How many landing pages do you need? A lot. I mean, a lot of landing pages, right? If you don't know how to steal them and stuff like that, you're going to be spending quite a bit of money on landing pages. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much it. This is like the easiest way to make money with absolutely no money at all. No investment is required. The only thing you need to do is get off your ass, go to YouTube, learn a skill, and then find customers who need that skill. That's it. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and all that fun stuff. Got any questions? Simply drop them down below.